So, okay, this is the drone. You see it's dissimilar, but as you see, it doesn't have any antennas, any aerials. So this is the wire itself. And basically, as you see, the technology is super straight, super simple. So I have my own purpose to be here, because it's a great opportunity to fulfill your revenge, because my people suffered a lot from Russians from 1783, because we were deported, my grandmother, all of my relatives of course, but we survived, and finally we came back to Crimea in 1992.